I had steak for breakfast today. Let your earth creature come up to room temperature before you sear it off. This bad boy has almost a pound of goodness. We will be using unsalted butter, garlic, ginger, rosemary. Now, with my very fancy Try My Chow knife, I will cut and peel a little piece of fresh ginger and chop it minced like that to add some extra flavor to it. I usually take these black things off my garlic. Season it well with kosher salt and black pepper on both sides. On high heat, put olive oil in the pan and make sure it is very hot. Now place your earth creature in the pan. Let it sit for 3 minutes. We will be using 2/3 of unsalted butter very soon. With about 30 seconds left before flipping the steak, add ginger and garlic. Now flip it and add unsalted butter and rosemary. Let the butter melt and baste the steak for 2 minutes. Remove it from the fire. Let it rest for 5 minutes. You are done. Maybe I am crazy, but I like some lemon on my steak. Capiche?